talking to myself and feel. Hanging around.
My coronation night last August 18 was probably one of the best moments in my life. But at the same time, my fellow countrymen were experiencing something graver, something that hurt their lives, that traumatized them, that left them hopeless, homeless, and now I want to share that glory with them. I want to see that smile that I had in my face on their faces as well. And right here in our bag of hope, we have rice, we have a food drink, we have noodles, rice, and canned goods for my fellow Filipinos. And as a Filipina, I want to see them with hope in their eyes. I want to see them strive and look at tomorrow as a brighter day. So this is what's going to touch their hearts, what's going to put that twinkle in their eye and make them think that tomorrow is always going to be a better day.